ठीक है, आपका सिचुएशन ये है कि सिचुएशन है, आपको तो स्टोरी सुनाई तो कल आप मार्केट गई, बहुत सारा सामान लाई, लेकिन पति के लिए कुछ नहीं लाई। पति नाराज़, पति बोले पैसा मेरा, सब मेरा, और मेरे लिए भी कुछ नहीं लाती। तो हुआ क्या, ये सीन है।
Okay, so uh, actually, I want to share something. Yesterday, I went to the market and I purchased so many things. And when I came back home, my husband said to me, कि, "Did you bought some? Did you buy something for me?" So then I said to him, कि, "No, I couldn't buy for you anything because I didn't have money, much money that time. I spent all my money." So my husband started quarreling with me कि why don't you purchase anything for me? Whenever you go to market, you always purchase things for your kids and for you also. So you are such a shopaholic girl, and still you are not buying something for me. You don't know that I also need so many things. Then I said to him कि you gave me only 10,000 rupees, and that is not enough for me, and I have to purchase my sari because our marriage anniversary is around the corner. That's why I want to purchase my sari, and I also want to buy a few clothes for my kids. So then my husband said to me, कि, so don't you think so that I also need some clothes? I also need some clothes like blazer and trousers also like. So I said to him कि yeah, of course, if you want, I don't know what your measurement, you can purchase it yourself. So he said to me कि it's been 22 years for marriage, and you even don't know what's my measurement, which size I wear. So I said to him that I know very well, I know, but okay. So he said to me कि you always splurging my money, and you still. Then I said to my husband कि last month you bought an expensive watch. So don't you think so? You can also clothes. You can also purchase clothes for yourself also. So then, okay. So then he at that time he get angry on me, and he didn't even have dinner, and he slept without having dinner. And next day he got up, and he didn't even talk to me. And I started mm, uh, मनाना क्या बोलेंगे, I started persuading him
हम्म।
कि okay, don't get angry on me. I'll today I'll go to market, and I'll definitely purchase something for you.
ओके।
It's enough या
नो, इट्स
continue
इट्स
करूँ?
इट्स इट्स एनफ, इट्स एनफ। सी
Okay,
नाउ फीडबैक
okay,
टाइम,
sir.
कैमरा ऑन रखिए, फीडबैक टाइम। एक तो यू आर वेरी फ्लुएंट, बहुत अच्छा आज लगा, बहुत फ्लुएंसी दिख रही थी। ओके, ये तारीफ है। अब बुराई। तो 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, 7 बार आपने हिंदी का की बोला है, की मिस्टेक नहीं है, की बोला है,
Okay,
की तो
okay, sir.
7 बार
Okay,
बोला है।
sir. हाँ,
उसके बाद आपने 2 गलतियां की हैं, वो मैं आपका स्क्रीनशॉट भेज दूंगा, देख लीजिएगा, ठीक है। ग्रामर एरर।
okay, sir.
या बता ही देता हूँ, छोड़िए ना,
Okay,
बता
sir.
देता हूँ, बता देता हूँ, यहीं पे बता देता हूँ। आपने बोला
Hmm.
आई सेड हिम, होना चाहिए आई सेड इट
I
टू
said
हिम।
to him.
फिर
I
एक,
said to him.
हाँ, एक आपने कहा ही गेट एंग्री ऑन मी।
He got angry on me.
तो एक तो यहाँ पर गॉट होना चाहिए, और एंग्री के साथ विद मी
At
होना
me.
चाहिए, विद मी।
Okay,
तो ही
okay,
गॉट एंग्री विद मी, बस ये 2 गलती, बाकी कुछ नहीं। बेहतरीन परफॉर्मेंस।
okay. Thank you, sir.
लवली।